Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified as soon as my video gets uploaded. So I already mentioned on my YouTube shorts and on my Instagram stories that I'm going to come up with this new vlog series of school lunchbox ideas for my kiddos. So thought, why should I not capture and share it with you all? So without further ado, let's start the video. So here am I in my kitchen in the morning and I have already started my work. As you can see, the dal and rice is ready, getting ready for our lunches, and my chai is also getting ready on the side because that is much needed in the morning, right? So this week it's a very short week, so I'm going to make very quick and simple recipes for you all. Here I am also having this frozen tater tots from store, so I am just frying up that one, and some corn and peas with some garam masala and salt in it. I am also going to add rice in that, but the rice was not ready during that point when I was taking a video, so that will skip, and I'm just going to make a pulao kind of stuff for them during that time. And here I'm adding some fruits for them, which is grapes and cookies they needed for their lunchbox, so that is ready as well. Monday lunch is all set to go. I'm very happy that Tuesday lunch is all set to go, as you can see. So Wednesday it is, and today I'm going to make pasta for the kids lunchbox. And the way I make it is like I put some oil in it and in the pan, and marinara sauce and some mixed frozen veggies with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, just to add that little tangy soury taste. And then I'm going to add some mixed herbs, salt, just to get that flavor into that pasta. And then it take me 20 minutes to make this lunch. I already boiled pasta in the morning, so now I'm just mixing it up. It was very fast and everything was done very quick. Kids asked for tater tots when they woke up, and I was like, okay, why not? I should just make this right on the side. So that was done. I already had my tea, so I was good for that. And now time to pack some lunches. Oreos for their dessert they needed, and pasta I'm going to add. Here kids like avocado, so I just sprinkle some parmesan cheese on top of pasta, and now I'm putting some avocados on the side, on the top of it, and tater tots on the side in the different lunchbox, so the taste doesn't get mixed up. And for the fruit I'm giving banana string cheese as well, and the lunch is ready and Wednesday is set. Hey everyone, it's Thursday and I'm making something different today. Instead of tater tots, I have decided to make this potato fries for them. Hopefully they like it. And also on the other side, I'm making this idli dosa batter, which I made it at home. And into that I'm going to add lots of veggies into it: zucchini, grated carrots, spring mix, jalapenos, onions, bell peppers, tomatoes. Also going to add all my Indian masalas just to taste amazing. It did turned out so good. Definitely try it and let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. I'm going to add salt, cumin seeds into it, that as well, and then I mixed it, left it for 5 to 10 minutes just to get the smell and the taste of veggies into that mix. And here now potatoes were almost getting ready. Now I'm making this appams. It's also called appe, but let's just call small idlis. I'm not sure exactly what it is called. I added some oil in it, and then I poured little spoons of the mixed batter, the veggie mixed dosa idli batter, and this was literally pain. It was not coming out. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I was in a rush, I guess. So yeah, but it finally did came out, so that part was awesome. And now it's ready and I am going to pack the lunches. I kept everything properly, so it's easy for me. Today I'm going to give them fruits for them because they wanted some grapes. So I was like, okay. And I'm also going to encourage them to try this appam with the peanut chutney what I made. Hopefully they will eat. If not, at least all the veggies and the salt will taste that good, so hopefully they will eat it. And also I'm going to pack the potatoes. Today I'm also going to give them this popcorn because they were asking for it, so I made that in the microwave, left it in the box for a little bit just to cool it off, and now I'm going to just add it in the Ziploc bag, and Thursday lunch is all set to go.
everyone, it's Friday and I'm very excited because I have the lunch which is very fast and quick. I toasted some bread in a toaster and I'm just spreading some Nutella spread on it and cutting into a half, and that's it. I'm also making tater tots for the kiddos because some veggies needs to be get done on the side. For fruits, grapes it is, and also I'm giving some cheese sticks and Oreos, of course. They loved how I gave them popcorn yesterday, so today it is as well. So I make this popcorn, leave it for 5 minutes just to cool it off, so it's not getting soggy when I'm packing in the Ziploc bags. So that's it. And Friday lunch is already set. My daughter is still getting ready. My son is very excited because that is his favorite food, and as you will see at the end how he's dancing with his he's also having a breakfast on the side as well. Friday lunch is set and I am set for them to drop off at the bus stop, seriously. And that's it.
I dropped my kids to the bus and I'm back at home going to start my routine. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like, comment and share with your friends and families. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Namaste.